it is uncommon for power companies to specify the location of customer-owned equipment beyond the point of attachment. However, they may have specific requirements for safety and accessibility. The power company's concern about firemen not being able to locate the meter base in the event of a fire is understandable. Having the meter base under the overhead line provides easier access for emergency responders. The National Electrical Code, referred to as NEC, does not specify the exact location of the meter base. However, it does require that it be accessible and clearly marked as noted in NEC 230.70 and NEC 230.70 to address the power company's concerns while minimizing the disruption and cost. You could consider firstly installing a meter base on the back of the house but at a lower elevation. This would make it more visible to firemen while still being protected from the elements. Secondly, install an exterior sign or marker adjacent to the meter base. This would clearly indicate its location in the event of a fire. Thirdly, install a breakaway disconnect in the back of the house, near the meter base. This would allow firemen to disconnect the power quickly and safely. The power company cannot legally cut off a customer's service if the installation meets code requirements and the customer is up to date on their payments. If you have concerns about the power company's request, you may wish to consult with an attorney. It is important to communicate with the power company and try to understand their specific concerns. Explain your design and the measures you have taken to address safety. If possible, negotiate a compromise that meets their requirements without creating excessive cost or disruption. While it is unusual for power companies to dictate the location of customer-owned equipment, it is important to address their safety concerns. By exploring alternative solutions and communicating with the power company, you may be able to find a compromise that meets both their needs and yours.